Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smarthome. Today, we've got an exciting tutorial for all you Samsung TV owners out there. We're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of installing Spectrum on your Samsung TV. Whether you're a sports fanatic, movie buff, or just want to catch up on your favorite TV shows, Spectrum has got you covered. So, without further ado, let's dive into the installation process. Step 1. Access the App Store. Now, grab your Samsung remote, and let's get started. Press the home button on your remote to access the main menu. Once you're on the main menu, navigate to the app section. This is where you'll find the Samsung App Store. Step 2. Search for Spectrum. In the App Store, use the search function to find the Spectrum TV app. You can either use the on-screen keyboard or voice search, whichever you find more convenient. Type in Spectrum TV and select the official app from the search results. Step 3. Download and install. Once you've selected the Spectrum TV app, click on the download or install button. The app will start downloading and installing automatically. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Step 4. Sign in. Once the installation is complete, open the Spectrum TV app. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Spectrum account. If you don't have a Spectrum account, you can create one on their official website. Step 5. Enjoy your content. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Spectrum on your Samsung TV. Now, you can enjoy a vast array of channels, on-demand content, and more, right from the comfort of your living room. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks, a quick and easy guide on how to install Spectrum on your Samsung TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy streaming!